We elected to create a garage at the back end of our trailer, roughly about 30 inches deep, all out of lightweight poplar and fir solid wood. Kind of a boat-like setup with all the mechanical, electrical at the left, as you can see. Flip down breaker switch panel, batteries down below, solar equipment up in the top, and you can see the inverter at the very center at the back, all accessible and laid out spaciously so that we can work on things if we have to. In the middle you can see the pass-through, and on the right you can see the shelving setup. So if we zoom in, you get a sense of the detail of everything that's there. On the left, 110. As we zoom past that, you can see the solar setup with the bus bar for the solar charge controller coming in and going out. Distribution, there's a surge suppressor in there. And the very right hand side down the line here is 12 volt switching, broken out into all the various elements within the trailer. There's also a couple more switch panels inside for lighting. There's a Victron interface, touchscreen, 30 amp disconnect, and then that's the 110 power panel. USB outlets, battery disconnect, and there's our Victron 3000 watt inverter. You can see the Class T fuses in the back and all the 4/0 heavy wiring, and those are three 200 amp hour Victron or Discover batteries, 600 amp hours total. That's a Salem vent, two-way vent. What you see there is a battery heater, and we have a water tank heater as well. You can see that touchscreen. Right now it's not pulling a lot of power, but it does give us a readout as to what's going on with our solar and with our charging. Over to the right, there's our pass-through. You can see a screen window up above. You can see storage, clothing, hoses, there's a lot of gear and hardware in the back here. There's our Starlink case, a couple of jacks down below, and then at the very right, all the shelving which holds tools and equipment. There's a water pump, extra water, just various things that you might need off-grid for permanent situation. The back door has actually been used as well for holding tools and accessories and things. So that's a really quick rundown of what goes on at the back. I think we've laid it out quite well, and so far it's proven itself.